This is your reading for today. Your cards are Go with the Flow and Existence. This past week or the past few days could have been terribly exhausting for you. Things that you had planned didn't go like that. There could have been a lot of rush, a lot of chaos. It could have been at home, it could have been at work. It could just have been the accumulation of lots of things you were doing. Bottom line, you are feeling as if you don't want to do anything that is structured, anything which asks you to behave in a mechanized, mechanical manner. You just want to let go. You just want to let go. Okay? And you also don't want to be in a place which is very mechanized, like going to a mall, for existence, where there are lots of buildings, where there is a lot of concrete. You want to breathe. It's as if, your breath is getting suffocated and you want space to breathe. And even if you want to go with a companion, you would want to go with a companion who doesn't talk much, or somebody who understands the silence, the communication in silence. So imagine a typical scenario where you want to take a picnic hamper and you want to go and sit in a park, and the sun is nice and soothing and there's a gentle breeze and you are picking up and eating what you like. And then slowly the sun is making you feel drowsy and you just want to fall asleep over there, but then your conscious mind, your responsible mind kicks in and says that, hey, what are you doing? This is irresponsible. You're just wasting your time. And look at you, you've been wasting your time for so many days, 5, 6, 7 days. You need to get up and do some work. But the need of the hour is to just be useless, so to say. And there is merit in being useless sometimes, and we don't always have to be useful and productive, and that is what you're being asked to do right now. And don't guilt trip yourself that you are being playful, or that you are just sleeping, or you're just enjoying, you don't want to do anything, and you just don't want any control. It's okay to be like that. Enjoy being playful. Why are you in such a space? You are in such a space because there is a transformation that is happening. Whenever there is a transformation happening, we must go slow, because otherwise the transformation won't take root. If you disturb it with the chaos in between, it will get delayed. It will happen, it will get delayed, it will be incomplete. So let it happen. You will know when it is time to start working and be productive, useful again. Now, this transformation that is happening is building your strength, a strength that has been knocked and battered for a very long time.